What's going on, traders? It is Sunday, December 24th, Christmas Eve. And as you can see, we are still in the channel. We will probably continue going in and out of the wide and narrow channels here. The splitting point would be the 23.6 Fibonacci line. Top of the channel is the swing high. Bottom of the channel is the 38.2 retracement. And the narrower channel is, of course, the 23.6 and the 38.2. Right now, we're in the narrower channel, and we're getting a little bit support down here at the 38.2, so we're not getting all the way down to it. I imagine that we'll probably stay in the channel until the day after Christmas on the 26th. We should be breaking out of it. May even break out of the channel tomorrow, but I'm doubting it. It seems like we're kind of stuck here for the time being. Anyway, that said, I don't know if I shared this with you or not. Let me turn on the signals here and turn on the linear regression. Turn off the regular candlesticks. And let's look at what we got. Okay, you can see that in the channel we're getting like all kinds of signals, but they're not great signals. As soon as you can get in, you're almost getting out. Like right here, yes, you could have stayed in for like multiple hours before it reversed on you. On the way down, you could have done the same thing for fewer hours before it reverses again. On this one, you wouldn't have taken a trade. Over here, the same. They're all touching, wouldn't take a trade. Here, the same thing. So on most of this, there wouldn't be any trades taken. This is probably the best one right here. But what I wanted to share was on the lower time frames, you get way more signals. Let's go down to the 15-minute. Like right here, we see 3, 6, 9, 10 signals in the channel. We'll go down to the 15-minute chart. And we have way more channels. And from the looks of it, some of these channels are actually better here on the 15-minute chart than they are on the 1 hour chart. Not to mention, you've got 36 signals right here. 35, 36 signals. So in the same channel on a lower time frame, you're getting more than double the signals, and they're more actionable, and you can be in them for longer stretches of the chart, but you would have to stay on these on the smaller time frames. You'd have to sit on them like a mother hen and watch the movements, because the reversals are so sharp and so quick. But yeah, I wouldn't trade in any of this anyway, only because I'm a trend trader and will always be a trend trader. I mean, that's the most fun time to trade as far as I'm concerned. Other times are more risky, more volatile, and just less fun. So yeah, when you're in the trend, it's more fun. You can get out and get back in multiple times. A lot of people wind up getting stopped out on little retracements because they didn't set their stop losses right when they're trend trading. So Got to watch for that. But outside of that, we're going to be in the channel for another couple of days, guys. We're not going anywhere. We're not, don't see anything that would say breakout on any charts. So that's where we are right now. Let me get rid of the linear regression and come back here with the regular candlesticks. Yeah, I mean, sure, we got a buy signal, but, or I mean a sell signal rather, but as long as we're in the channel, it's not something I'm looking to get into or would get into. And this will probably be the last day that I'm playing around with the linear regression candles and the UT bot alerts. I'll be looking for something new for the rest of the day and tonight. So I will see you guys tomorrow on Christmas Day. Most likely we'll still be in the channel. Until then, you guys have a blessed day, a Merry Christmas Eve, and I will see you tomorrow. This is the Dark Sage signing out. Peace.